Cardano value equivalent to 8,302 rands a coin. The present cost range 8.938 8,119. The earlier day close 840,741. The change was plus 0.561, plus 0.66%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at 663 rands. Exorbitant cost 823, while low cost 663. The found the middle value of cost 730. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 769. Change for September 16%. Cardano estimate for October 2024. To start with cost at 769 rands. Exorbitant cost 769, while low cost 609. The found the middle value of cost 701. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 655. Change for October 14.8%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place cost at 655 rands. Exorbitant cost 813, while low cost 655. The found the middle value of cost 721. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 760. Change for November 16%. Cardano gauge for December 2024. In the first place cost at 760 rands. Exorbitant cost 944, while low cost 760. The found the middle value of cost 837. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 882. Change for December 1%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 882 rands. Excessive cost 1073, while low cost 882. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 960. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1003. Change for January 13.7%. Cardano conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 1003 rands. Excessive cost 1070, while low cost 930. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1001. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 10,000. Change for February 3%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 10,000 rands. Exorbitant cost 10,000, while low cost 819. The found the middle value of cost 925. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 881. Change for spring 11.9%. Cardano gauge for April 2025. At the outset cost at 881 rands. Excessive cost 959, while low cost 833. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 892. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 896. Change for April 17%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at 896 rands. Exorbitant cost 974, while low cost 846. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 907. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 910. Change for May 16%. Cardano conjecture for June 2025. At the outset cost at 910 rands. Excessive cost 993, while low cost 863. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 924. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 918. Change for June 2%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 918 rands. Excessive cost 1013, while low cost 881. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 942. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 947. Change for July 2%. Cardano figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 947 rands. Excessive cost 1118, while low cost 947. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1014. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 1045. Change for August 10.3%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at 1045 rands. Excessive cost 1064, while low cost 924. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1007. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 994. Change for September 4.9%. Cardano conjecture for October 2025. Before all else cost at 994 rands. Excessive cost 1234, while low cost 994. The found the middle value of cost 1094. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1153. Change for October 16%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place cost at 1153 rands. Exorbitant cost 1253, while low cost 1089. The found the middle value of cost 1167. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1171. Change for November 16%. Cardano gauge for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 1171 rands. Exorbitant cost 1273, while low cost 1107. They found the middle value of cost 1185. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1190. Change for December 16%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at 1190 rands. Exorbitant cost 1199, while low cost 1043. They found the middle value of cost 1138. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1121. Change for January 58%. Cardano gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 1121 rands. Exorbitant cost 1241, while low cost 1079. They found the middle value of cost 1150. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1160. Change for February 35%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2026. Initially cost at 1160 rands. Excessive cost 1160, while low cost 960. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1078. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 1032. Change for spring 11%. Cardano figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 1032 rands. Exorbitant cost 1266, while low cost 1032. They found the middle value of cost 1128. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1183. Change for April 14.6%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2026. At the outset, cost at 1183 rands. Excessive cost 1286, while low cost 1118. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1197. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 12.2. Change for May 16%. Cardano gauge for June 2026. In the first place, cost at 12.2 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.6, while low cost 11.36. They found the middle value of cost 12.16. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 12.21. Change for June 16%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2026. In the first place, cost at 12.21 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.28, while low cost 11.54. They found the middle value of cost 12.36. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 12.41. Change for July 16%. Cardano estimate for August 2026. First and foremost, cost at 12.41 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.76, while low cost 12.41. They found the middle value of cost 13.34. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 13.79. Change for August 11.1%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2026. Initially cost at 13.79 rands. Excessive cost 13.79, while low cost 11.